Hello everyone, I'm going to show a card trick. It's fun to do. And I'm gonna take this on. And now I have this on. And I'm gonna tell them this is say stop and this is stop. And I'm gonna out and take their card. Feel. It's the 8 of hearts. And now I'm gonna show it how it's done. And yeah, you have the 8 of heart here, and you're gonna tell them when they should say stop, and they say stop, and you pull all the cards out, and yeah, put on the 8. So now I'm gonna do fast. They say stop, and okay, yeah, and now that's how done. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.